Jordan's Royal Medical Services acted fast to help the country contain the COVID-19 virus's spread. The RMS formed an emergency multidisciplinary crisis team, which established a 24/7 operations center for medical and other data collection, analysis, and network communication directly connected to all hospitals as well as primary care centers. Collaborating with the Jordanian private and state health sectors, we created a protocol for triaging emergency cases and diagnosing suspected ones. Protective protocols were created for staff and patients, with sufficient protective tools provided and maintained in all RMS hospitals and healthcare centers. A mobile field hospital was established in the Dead Sea quarantine area, fully staffed for primary care and screening of COVID-19 cases for all repatriated Jordanians and new arrivals. Military doctors were assigned to cover general medical care and non-COVID emergencies among the quarantined. In total, 14,000 quarantined cases were managed. We participated in national COVID-19 screening teams. By the third week of November 2020, 180,000 tests were administered. Two highly specialized COVID-19 care centers were set up in Amman and Aqaba. They were fully supported with top ICU and respiratory consultants, as well as other medical and surgical specialties, in addition to highly qualified nurses and technicians. Public awareness and staff education were essential goals of our mission. We launched social media and other information campaigns, including many online workshops and lectures. Staff were intensively trained to deal with COVID-19 patients admitted to isolation wards and ICUs, preparing them for hospitals being established to cover increasing cases. In parallel, we continue conventional management of non-COVID patients with modifications to ensure patient and staff safety. For that, we streamlined our approach to routine services, minimizing patients' need to visit hospitals through virtual clinics, a prescription refill platform, appointment rescheduling, and home medication delivery for chronic or severe illnesses. RMS established a new, highly specialized ICU isolation unit with community collaboration, as well as 3 new field hospitals completed in record time, covering all districts of Jordan under the umbrella of Jordanian Armed Forces. We expanded our services to include the local community with a comprehensive plan for school reopening directed at schools under the armed forces in cooperation with the Ministry of Education.